Hi, Liam. So what are we going to do today?
Someone's saying hi.
Oh, he's also saying hi.
My name is Crawley.
Crawley. Okay. Okay, so what are we going to do today?
We're going to build a skyscraper.
We're building a skyscraper.
Yes.
Why?
Well, so we can put all these in there.
Okay, but also part of your lesson for today.
Yes. There. This is all over here in the book.
Okay, so we're going to build that. And what is the book about? It says?
Oh, could you read for me?
Okay, bring it closer. I can't see there. Why don't skyscrapers topple down? And the book is called Let's Build.
Okay, the name. Let's
Yes.
build.
So
Let's build.
we decided, or Mommy decided, that
No, he and his mom and me and my cranky had decided to build a skyscraper.
yes, because part of the lesson, so we want to do something a little bit practical. So we
And it's
started
easy.
building. Yeah, it is quite easy. So we started building. What did you start building over there?
We're gonna put some legs under these, these big flappies under the blue one.
Okay.
We're gonna put it under the legs.
Okay.
So it becomes a parking for some little Hot Wheels. So we're also gonna build. We can also change anything in this skyscraper.
Okay.
So you must get this big block in position.
Okay, so get it in position.
Hi. I'm just having the little ones again to just work. So I'm put the working here. So this is a thing always that's not gonna. These things just fall. Is this right? There's one is more than the other.
Yeah, I think more or less. It doesn't have to be like perfect in the center.
This has to be perfect in the center. The center is the center of this. So
Okay.
you will see a lot of pieces on it.
Okay, so bring the book closer.
This is the book. Me and my little buddies are trying to work together.
So what we started with is we've got the structure or the foundation that we've built. So this is it. So this is the foundation over here.
No, the foundation this is the foundation with the legs.
No, but this is the foundation. Remember we put this because this is part under the ground.
So?
See, it's this.
I
Just
got
under the
it.
ground.
Oh yeah. Watch this.
And they call it the piles, or it should be like poles or something, I think.
They're called poles.
Yeah, I don't think it's piles. I think it's poles. It's probably a spelling error in the book. So we've got the poles at the bottom. Okay, so he's just turned it upside down. So you've got the poles, and then you've got your foundation that you laid, and then it goes up to what is the next part of the structure that we built. And then we've got this one, which is your onto the ground level. It's called
This
the
one
curtain.
Here.
Yeah, so we've
This
got
is our
this.
first floor.
Yeah.
So
We're doing the
second
curtain well. Okay, so we're going to do the superstructure over here. Liam has already done the crane, which is standing over there. Isn't that right?
It's very hard to build these.
Okay, so we've got the crane standing with the crane tower.
It's very hard to build a crane.
Is
Make
it?
it stable this time.
Did you get it stable?
Stable to build a skyscraper.
Okay.
Make it higher.
Mm-hmm.
But make it just tumble down.
Yes.
Just use this much of counterweights.
Mm-hmm.
This is Lego blocks. I stuck all of these on one.
Mm-hmm.
So it becomes a big mass. A counterweight. I'm just not gonna use them yet because sometimes I could use them for tough jobs I could do.
Okay.
So he lifts all the stuff up. Sometimes I don't need it.
So sometimes part of our homeschooling, if I could call it, lesson of a day, Liam, we go through these little books that he's got. He's got about 10 books. It's from the STEAM engineering. I think something like that. Yeah, STEAM engineering. It's from OM Books. Okay.
Books.
So these are the books. It's like a bunch of them. There's all different ones. This is called Let's Build. So it's all about the buildings and that. There's maths. There's art. There's computer science. There's phone technology. different maths. I think you've got two math books, eh?
Yeah, I do.
Got phone technology, physics and science, physical science.
Color.
Yeah, that's art.
Shapes.
Art, I think you've got two books this time around for art, isn't it? Because the one is like all the different colors and things, and the other one is elements of art. Then there's aerospace engineering, and what's the other one at the bottom? And exploring our universe. Sorry, I'm like showing
Yeah,
you over there.
that's a fun book.
Okay, so these are all the different books.
I gotta show you something from the end. You gotta use toy balls for this.
Yeah.
Make your own city. See?
Okay, so there's even
Read,
activities
read,
at the back of the
read.
book. Yeah, it says activity, let's make a skyscraper. So you would use all different paper rolls, toilet rolls,
No, you have to only use one.
kitchen rolls, okay?
No kitchen rolls, just bathroom rolls.
Well, you can use, if you use the kitchen rolls, they'll be a lot higher because they double the
Yeah,
length
you gotta
of
use
the toilet rolls.
kitchen rolls for this.
Yeah. So we'll do this activity. We don't have that many empty toilet rolls at the moment. I think you
And
said
I
you've got,
cut
what,
one?
2, 3? Yeah, you cut one up. So we don't have enough, so we're not going to do that yet. We're just going to wait for that.
I have two of these.
Okay. So we've got these little books, and they're really, really fun for the kids. They've got some nice pictures in there. They've got little pocket facts, did you know facts, quite nice, colorful illustrations. And in the back of the book, when you're done, they've got these like little tests. It's like a 4-page test, depending on the book and the subject that it's there. And then they do like little, they call it Let's Get Active, but this is like little quizzes that you do. And they've got match the column, unscramble the words, and then of course that's your answer sheet over there.
What's that
You've got to write in there. What's this one's activities in the back? So they're all different. I mean, yeah, you've got your unscramble. Then you've got to choose a correct word answer from A, B, or C, and true and false. Match the column.
Because I thought the Eiffel Tower is made out of concrete.
Yeah, so these books are really fun.
Made out of steel.
Yes, these books are really fun, especially for someone that doesn't like boring black and white, just word books. If you like to have something a little bit more interactive, then these are really good books to go for. Yes.
Yeah, I have first grade and second grade.
Yes.
Because you see the number over there. You see that number on there?
Yeah, it shows their level 2.
And my level 1's in there.
Yes. Somewhere skipped away because you're done with those.
Yeah, I
Okay.
know.
Okay, so let's continue. So we've got the building going up slowly but surely. And one of the things that we like to do is get a little bit more active with the lessons.
With
Yeah.
us too.
Yes. So we do
Because
use...
Kids, oh yeah. Kids like us because we are easy to not just tumble down. We're stuck.
Yep.
You see how this cannot come off when you do this?
Yep.
There have tiny little bumps and opening on the bottom.
That's it.
So we can click together. Just like a brick.
Yes.
Going a brick, concrete brick. But like this one brick with another, with a layer of concrete, with another brick, and then when it's done, it doesn't go anywhere.
No, it doesn't.
Just like us.
Yep.
It's just like us.
So we like to incorporate Legos in our...
House.
Well, yeah, we'll incorporate it into our lessons. Liam loves to get a little bit more practical with his lessons. He doesn't like boring black and white books.
Yeah.
He wants to be busy all the time.
I'm reading books.
That's like an old reading book.
A proper one has 2 grades.
Mm-hmm.
Grammar 1 and Grammar 2. And
It's
also
not grades.
Science.
It's not grades, it's different
No, it is
subjects.
grade 2.
It's a grade
That's
2
true.
book, but it's, yeah. So let's
And my
quickly say hello for Dad. Okay. So that's just Daddy and Liam saying him to keep quiet.
Yeah,
So,
when my dad's home.
yeah.
That's how I open the door because it's very noisy. Oh yeah, these 2 fingers got hurt on the door when I was 6.
Yeah, I think it was on your birthday.
Yeah,
the
my
day
birthday.
before.
My birthday. Yesterday.
Not yesterday, in the month of
No,
May.
When No, when I got my cake. After when I got the cake.
Yeah.
That's my birthday. Because when we're going to get the cake.
Yeah, because you had your fingers in the door frame, and that door is very heavy. And if there's someone's fingers in the door frame, you don't feel it when you close the door. So the door doesn't get stuck or anything. And
Well, I was screaming. She
yeah.
could hear me.
Because I closed the door was heavy, so I didn't feel that, like I said, I didn't feel that his fingers were there. So I accidentally pinched his fingers in the door. But anyways, it's healed nicely. No damage was done.
No damage, just bleeding.
No, it was just bruised.
No, it's just bleeding. Oh yeah, this one got the bruise.
Yeah.
A lot of bruise. This one only had white. This one had like an army, like my old army pick. It's like the color of black formed out.
Okay. So anyways, so now you've put your second section on top, eh?
And now we're gonna put the third level. I wonder which color should it be?
What color you want? You want white? You want brown? You want blue?
This one looks okay.
Okay, so using that, but then you can't just stick it on top. You need something between the green and the blue, isn't it?
No. Yeah. I'm just choosing the colors like the one I can put on these. We gotta make more. We have a little factory nearby.
Okay.
Over here. This is a little
Okay, so
factory.
the next section we are building is the curtain wall, or are we done with the curtain wall? We done with the section?
No, we're not done with that section.
Are you building that section now?
I had to build two more floors. It was very hard to build a building like this before.
Okay.
My sister has never built a building like this before, and then no, do not touch. Do not
Oh,
touch.
I'm helping. I'm giving you the pillars so you can put them up.
Well, these things are hard. You're gonna need to work on here. A lot of working projects.
Okay, so what section did you just put up now?
I put legs, also known as stands or feet.
Okay.
Under this building is called centuries or less. So under it there has like these little things under it.
It's called stilts.
Also known as feet or legs.
Mm-hmm.
And I've seen a basement parking. They got flooded on back.
Yes, it did, because we had lots of rain, isn't it?
No, the heavy rain actually flooded. I should say flooded the basement parking, and all the cars were almost been scrapped.
That's it.
Yeah, were almost scrapped. And the thing was even getting worse. I was getting flood.
Oh my word.
Until they were all swept away.
Okay. What do we do next?
Slab.
Okay, put the slab.
It's the slab. They can't be so high, so they're good. So I'm gonna so the crane doesn't help, so I don't need to say anything.
Why are you not using the crane to help?
He's just for in case.
Oh, he's the in-case helper. Okay.
He's the wall builder.
Okay.
Wall builder. I also would need to put. I forgot a space for the lift.
Oh no. Now what now?
I could put the lift next to the building.
Is it?
And sometimes my mom takes pictures when I always make a video.
Is it?
Yeah, she likes it, but it's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes the singers want to get ins. So if you want to get these in, just tell anybody's help to press it. Because you do it on a wood table. Wood tables are strong and not easy to break. But I'm
Yeah, you are.
Oh yeah, Lucas, when we had him, he went in that old TV table, the one that got mold.
Is it?
Yeah, he was small. You can't go under this. I can. It's so small.
Mm.
I'm very small, but a bug
Is it?
can go in there.
Okay.
But an ant can go through there.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhere even between tracks.
Mm-hmm.
You go between little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Am I just going to do something like that?
Yeah, you were busy building. What are you building?
There. This is this over the blue floor is the third floor.
Okay.
It's the first floor, so tiny. I can't get it there.
Because this section is under the ground, so you won't see this. And this is the ground floor. Oh, sorry. Just
Yeah,
tipped it over. That's the-
parking lot where I can't go in.
yeah, so that's
Only
the ground.
one parking going.
No, ground level.
These are two parking. That's the underground. This is the ground parking.
Okay, and where would a crane be if a crane was helping you to build this? Because remember, some places you need cranes to put the stuff on top because it's too high, and you can't take the stuff up the stairs to go and build. So how will a crane help you?
It helps to lift up,
Mm.
and you just put it in.
What is it? Okay.
Some helicopters
Mm.
work as a crane, but there's one crane that can reach a high building. What
Is it?
Okay.
Okay.
The mobile crane.
Really?
Yeah, it comes with a luffing jib.
Okay.
A luffing jib is a type of boom,
Yeah.
and it's different. Way different.
Wait
So
a
you can
minute.
reach high in the sky.
Is it?
It's all a fan. I can't make one to that.
No. Well, maybe we can, but I don't know.
Oh, but actually I can make a proper one.
Okay.
I'll make one that can't like tumble down. I made a cool one.
Is it?
My first one was great. Until I turned it into an excavator. My first one was the first excavator. He was the JCB, and the other one was a cat, and my second one, and my third one
Okay.
was different. And I do not have a full one.
Can you show us how the crane will help to put the stuff on top, though?
I shall show you. But I wasn't going to be able to upside down.
Why are you going to put it upside down for?
No reason.
Okay. So let's build the next level.
But I can't, because that's why I can't use him, because he does upside down works.
Mhm.
See? Upside down, bumps.
Mm-hmm.
I can't turn it over. So that's
What problem do we have now?
I can't turn it over because that's it. I can also do this with the car.
Oh, it turns.
It's swingy, swangy piece here. Sometimes those building walls just tumble down. Tumble down. I'll put like walls here. It's easy for me to get through.
Okay.
Oh, it's a pizza.
Me.
This is a pizza Lego.
Mm-hmm.
He always likes pizza. So he'll put it on his head. Cause that means, because when he has this one, that means he's also part of the working team.
Okay.
It's going to need a cab.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, do not break.
Okay, let's quickly finish building because we've got some more work to do.
Now, can you see me?
Mm-mm.
He's down there.
Oh,
Head.
there you are. Okay, what do we need to finish first because we've still got lots of other work to do.
Oh, I should show you how we build. How it looks like until we're finished.
Okay, we have to build fast. Okay.
But there's something you won't believe.
What?
We don't have more feet.
No, we don't. Because those are the amount of levels that we're building.
We can build some.
I think there's somewhere in there. I don't even know.
Very hard to spot though. Got one. You can also make like any other colors.
Okay.
Like a remark or something. So me and my mom were just busy with these these floors.
Yeah, we were just finishing up all these floors up here.
And we got visitors.
We got visitors? Wow, what is this?
No, we're Hot Wheels.
What does a Hot Wheels do?
Oh, they're Hot Wheels I got when I was small. So this is a car carrier I built with my own glue gun.
Oh, that's
It's
cool.
not 6 wheels, and you're seeing how the floors look, because I have 4. If I have 4,
What happened?
I'm gonna need a roof for this one.
Why?
It was a little something. This one can go here.
But I thought you said we were finished.
Oh, look. Look how many floors are there. 1, 2, 3. He can be one over there. Somewhere he needs to get in.
Where's he going to get in?
Ah, I got an idea. On the other side of the house.
Yeah, you can go on the other side.
No, this one. They're both like the matchings.
Yeah.
They can go together. And the top one is just for like elevators to go up there.
Okay.
So the
Okay,
house.
so they're like,
So the house is
There.
all completed.
it's all completed.
It's almost.
Almost. What is needed? I thought you said we were done.
Wait. The elevators!
But I thought you said we were done.
No, the elevators are missing.
Okay. But what are you going to build for elevators?
These are the elevators. This is the Lego box I use for some pieces. Something that need matching because something becomes 6. What is 6 plus 6?
I don't know, you tell me.
7, 12. 12. So if I add 3, because 12, what's 12 plus 6 is what's 12 plus 6 again?
Can you remember? Think.
I can't. 12 plus 6, I don't know.
18.
18! Oh.
I thought we were done. That's why we continued with the...
There. This is perfect. So, I'll just add a little longer so I can quickly complete my elevator. It's almost completed. This building's almost completed.
You sure?
Yeah. The first time I did different, and then we had a little problems.
I thought we had problems.
Yeah, we had teeny bits. A teeny one. Because sometimes I gotta bang this one. Gotta bang it.
This
These
is...
two I gotta bang.
Okay.
Because I didn't want to go together in the feet. It looks like our visitors like it.
Visitors like it.
They're the ones that came. They like it.
Oh, that's good.
But we don't know what to make for them to get up.
What are you going to make? What is that?
A ramp.
A
And I
ram?
have like, yeah. This is where I attach it. And watch how the color attach. First, do that. And runs away.
Oh, that's so cool.
And he gets on. And he's waiting for the others. He's waiting for his brother. He's waiting for this one. He doesn't want the screen to be scratched, so he'll do that.
So how are these ones on the top floor going to come down?
Oh, I can make this longer.
Or you can just let it go down onto the ramp.
No, I can't.
Onto your flatbed that you made for them.
No, I can't. That was a crash, boom, bang, destroyed this.
Oh, okay.
That'll be a problem.
So then?
There'll be no ramp for them to get down. Or back up again. So I'm gonna use like a proper ramp with a little bit of no walls. So I just it's like this much. Or I could just do this and do. There's your.
Is it long enough?
Yeah, I think. Let's see. Oh my, that's a slipway down.
Can you add one more block?
I can.
So it's not too steep down?
Yeah, I can also make it not too steep down. I bet this will be like that.
Yeah.
But I can stretch it. The two times is better.
Mm-hmm.
So it's easy to hold.
There we go.
Wait. No matching. What else
Alright,
is the
okay.
matching? That thing, that means remove the color that match.
Okay.
This is friend doesn't want to say so. No. This one. Oh, look at that. Oh, is that the sting?
Oh my goodness, that's wrong way, dude.
Oh, you want to get out? Looks like they're trying to, because these cars are gonna go the other way.
Oh, he's turning around.
Because he, and look what he can do when he's out. He's on the engine.
He's yawning.
No, he's gonna, no, it's other team, when he lets the engine go, he lets some air go in the engine.
Okay.
He just rolls here. Ah!
Oh goodness. I think you have to do reinforcements there.
I'm okay.
I think you need to put like a reinforcement here behind this.
Why was I should
So
say he's not okay.
when you do this, you must have something at the bottom. So instead of having just on the top here, where they sort of have at the bottom as well.
That's what I'm doing. No.
Like that.
Shorter.
No, I'm just no, because if you do it like this, and it's got two of them.
No, do not.
Okay.
Not need two. One is enough.
Right. What do I know?
Oh, you don't know.
I don't know this.
This is
Okay.
Brother, come up. Come down.
Okay, next one.
Looks like he's very. Looks like he's also. Why did he stop?
I don't know. He's scared of heights?
I know what's the problem.
What's the problem, dude?
These are missing. Up job.
What do you need those for?
These are each thingies, so it's just for the wheels to get on.
Oh, right. Okay.
Get down. Why does he go stop?
He's scared of heights.
Looks like he doesn't want muddy wheels.
Come on, RNG, just go down.
I think
There we go. You got
he
it.
wants to go slow. So unless he's my blade. Wait, don't worry. Get back up. Looks like he wants my blade to get there. He wants somebody to kind of slow me down. Oh! Doesn't like fastness on the muddy roads. Aw.
Cool.
Oh, we got money at the front.
Okay.
Is there a watchtower here?
I don't know.
The watchtower is over here.
Oh, they had a bath. Okay. Cool. And they're on the roof now.
Talking.
Cool. Okay, so this is
Wait.
our...
Wait a minute.
Right, never mind.
Isn't that a problem?
There's no problem. I think we are done.
I think I can't get down anymore.
I think we are done.
No.
Yes, we are.
One. Yeah, there's this problem.
Another problem.
They need a new bridge.
Okay, while you build the bridge, we're going to say goodbye and
Wait.
then we're going to look at all the other work. Or not.
Maybe that's a problem. I can't get down. Like.
Do you have a reinforcement behind this section here? No, you don't. Put
That's
reinforcements here as well.
section. Reinforcements! Where's the damage?
On this one here. So you need to put reinforcements wherever you've connected these ones.
Another reinforcement. For extras.
Okay.
Okay, get down, you boys. gonna need a flathead for that. I shall say. Wait. I'm just gonna. Don't worry, I can stop you. From the fast. Come on.
Let's go down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Finished.
Okay.
We'll see you soon. Subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like.